Hi everyone, welcome to Grace and Glam. Well, today's video is a requested video and any guesses? Well, I am going to create a makeup look with all my DIY products and some organic products are also there. I mean to say some organic makeup. So this would be a very different video so far. So let's see how it turns out. I understand that yes, a lot of people have made request on makeup. They want to see me do makeup, and because I agree that makeup is very therapeutic, and there's a direct connection between looking good and feeling good. So let's see how it works. Let's try out. In today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to use all the DIY products that I have prepared so far, or ingredients directly from the kitchen. And I'm just using two makeup products with me. So this is a copper kajal or brown kajal, and this is a set of mini lipsticks. Now this is from the brand Soul Tree. Now let me tell you something about this brand Soul Tree. Now Soul Tree is an Indian brand, and it has products for makeup as well as skincare, and which consist of only organic ingredients. So I'm using this because I understand the product is really good. I have used so far, and definitely I would say that it is definitely better to invest in high product skincare rather than investing in expensive makeup, because this is what I feel, this is what I believe in. And and one more thing, this is not a sponsored video. So let's go ahead and get started.